Hey, what's up traders? Dave FX Hunter here with weekly markets forecast for the 8th May 2021. Now you might thinking why I'm saying the markets forecast and not the Forex forecast. Well, the thing is that the crypto is here and it cannot be ignored anymore. While you are now watching the results on the left side from my crypto Forex bots, I will explain you why I'm very big fan of the crypto. Well, if you know me very well, I might share it a couple times. I have made some nice investments back into the June. Basically in the June I transferred my money to the cold wallet, but I invested in the March, and this is it. I basically have almost 2 bitcoins. I have 10 ethereums, and I invested around 20, maybe 25k. Currently my profit is 128k, total value 140k, right? So why I'm showing this, of course, not to show how good I am or how I made the money, but it makes connection with what I want to show you right now. So basically this investment I have on my cold wallet, it's not on the exchanges. So if I want to take a profit from this, I need to send this into the exchange, and now it's getting me into this chart, which I want to show you, because many people thinking I missed it, it's late to join the Bitcoin, it's late to buy anything, it's very high price around the 60k. But well, I want to show you this. Watch this. This gray is showing basically the price of the Bitcoin. This yellow is showing the balance on the exchanges. So basically what we can see right now in here is that in 2020 in the March, the balance of the Bitcoins from the exchanges disappeared while the price was going up. So right now what have to happen, and I will have to do it as well if I one day want to take a profit from this, I will have to send the money to the exchange, and then that's when the market start to reverse, right? So no, it looks like, so what does this market show us right now? That no one wants to take the profits from the Bitcoins. So let's look back into the 2017. It was very similar scenario. The Bitcoins disappeared from the exchanges. Then when the price was going up, of course people started to be interested in taking the profits out, so they had to send the money in there. So as it started to grow, people started to taking out the profits, and then the price started to drop down, right? So look where we are right now, how many Bitcoins is on the exchanges, and where is the price. So what I'm thinking, we are in the super cycles, and we will see 100 and even more case, maybe even in this year, because the banks are printing and the things are happening. And as well, one thing which I have to mention in here, the banks has been a long time against the crypto, and they are just now sorting the things out so they can start to use it, offer to their clients, right? So yeah, that's why it is the weekly markets forecast, because I'm officially trading the crypto as well. It's amazing. It's offering much better opportunities than the Forex. The movements on the crypto can be 10% daily. The best movements on the Forex is just 0.5%, 0.7% daily. It's nothing. You must use the leverage. It's very dangerous, and the crypto, without the leverage, you buying the coins and you making the profit. So yeah, definitely times are changing, and crypto is here and it's here to stay. So I want to join it as well. So here's some news, right? Look at this. The European investment banks distributes $121 million in Ethereum. Basically the adoption is going on. Here is another thing. Visa will start the transactions with the crypto partners in USDC, which is the crypto dollar, on the Ethereum. Amazing news. This is all big news for the crypto. Canada approves the first regulated Ethereum ETF. So basically they're doing everything to be able to trade this. So the crypto is here, and I think it's gonna be big. It's I think it's a lifetime opportunity currently to join this, because with the printing of the dollars and the other stuff, um, the fiat money is basically losing its purchasing power, and the crypto is the things to go. All right, so let's go to the COT, and we will start with the Forex, then we will move to the crypto. So what we can see here on the euro, we can see that the banks basically they've been bullish, then they drop their longs, they start to build their shorts, now they adding the longs again, so it's a little bit confusing. However, I think it will be bullish, even I thought I was bearish. Currently the dollar as well, they build the longs positions, now they closing them, right? With the shorts, they've been closed again, right? So it's 50-50 right now, so it's hard to say exactly what could be the direction. Next one will be the Aussie and Kiwi. We can see that the Aussie has been bullish in here, they dropped their longs positions, then they built some shorts, so it's now 50-50, very unclear, but however, I think the chart might break higher. Let's see. This is the Kiwi. We can see that basically the banks build the longs again while it builds the short, so let's see what's gonna happen in here. 60-40, we've been in the 70, it dropped down, so let's see if it is just pullback or the trend change. I personally think that the dollar could be strong for some time before it goes up. So next one we will look to the pound and CAD. So I will bring the pound and CAD, so GBP CAD. So here's the pound, being bullish, then not, now again. Pound looks quite bullish for me. Even the last week we had the big changes in here, right? And big drops, and but still it looks quite bullish. This is the Canadian dollar. Be careful, it's not USD CAD but the Canadian dollar contract. So what we can see, quite bullish, right? So the USD CAD could continue the drop. Let's see. Next one will be franc and JPY is the last two. So this is the franc. So what we can see in here, the franc has been bullish longs, they dropped it, they built the short, so the franc becoming bullish, and this is the JPY. I'm sorry, bearish. So they started to build the shorts here, right? So this is the JPY as well, building the shorts, and so it's as well bearish. JPY and francs looks bearish for. Okay, so this is a dollar index. Basically, I've been expecting some bounce in here, which happened lightly, and then the price dropped a little bit lower into this order block. So let's see how the price will be behaving in here. If it will start to print some bullish candles, I think we can move higher, because this move happened on the NFP. It can be just the stop hunt. It's the question what is gonna be, right? This is the Aussie. Aussie as said, it's quite 50-50, you know, on the COT, so that's why we have seen this ranging. Now, is this going to be a breakout, or is it going to be just the stop hunt into these levels and then the drop lower? We will see in the next week. Next one is the euro as well, started to drop and then stop hunt, right? I must say that one of my positions was closed in the loss. I have still one running, so let's see how this will be working. Next one is pound, and pound as said, it's quite looks bullish, so I think that this liquidity zone will be where we will play the next week, maybe, or maybe it can be, you know, ranging, doing nothing and then slightly move. Honestly, I must say that lately with the Forex, the moves are quite doing nothing, of course, in comparison to the crypto, right? So here, the Kiwi, maybe some stop hunts in these levels, and then we could see some drop lower. USD JPY, I have actually drawn some channel in here. Sorry, I didn't want to use this one. I have actually drawn some channel in here, and I would be looking for the long in here. Next one is Aussie Kiwi. Aussie Kiwi I expect to drop lower, and as well this one I having some channel something like this, and here is where I will be looking for the long. I'm sorry, my drawing somehow disappeared from the chart, so I remember basically what I'm looking for. This one Aussie JPY looks bullish. However, I would like to see a drop lower first for the long. Next one is Aussie franc. I'm basically waiting for the long as well, somewhere in here, because that I got a channel. So basically here I need to see this liquidity zone be taken out, then some bullishness in here, and then I will be looking for the longs. Aussie cat, it's dropping down in this short-term channel, and this one, and I think we will see another move lower. And here is the Kiwi franc, very similar like Aussie franc. Here is the channel, and in this liquidity zone I will be looking for the long. And this is the Euro JPY. It basically right now reacted on this, sorry, I didn't want to use this one. It basically reacted on this top of the channel, so now I think we might see some playings here before the price will drop. So this is for my view on the Forex, and regarding to the crypto, basically here it is. This is a Bitcoin. As said, I'm seeing big potential for the growth in here, right? So now, as said, if you're thinking that you are late or not, you don't have to, of course, to buy whole Bitcoin. You can buy something, and what's the best thing to do is to buy every week a little bit, and the profit is almost guaranteed. This is the Ethereum, and I'm expecting to go this to go much higher. Actually, this channel even could be like this, so I'm thinking the price still can go even higher, and we might see 5,000 very easily, very soon. This is a Stellar, quite nice project, and what I'm seeing in here is a potential to go up here. Basically, why I don't have these orders in here? So basically, yeah. So this is it. Basically, what I'm doing in here, I'm waiting for the longs. If the price will drop lower, then I will be trading this. And what is amazing in here, I don't have to use the stop loss because I'm basically buying it on the spot, so I'm owning the coins. It's the big difference against the Forex. So the worst thing that can happen is that the coin will drop lower, very low, and I will own this coin, and it will not have that much value, right? So basically no risk, almost no risk in here. This is a Solana. It's an amazing project for the contracts, smart contracts. So basically, they can do these financial things on it, and as well waiting for the pullback and the longs. This is the Polkadot. It's a big competitor of the Ethereum. Basically, those developers, they split, and they developing this. It's nice for the smart contracts, and I believe it has much bigger potential. So I have some positions already on it, and will be waiting if this will be playing something in here and then move higher. Next one is FTT, which is like basically FTX coin. It's a coin of the FTX broker where I trade as well, actually. So if you want to join, you can see the link below this video, and I'm expecting it to go higher in these channels. And this is the BNB Binance coin, another one but very interesting for me. So what I will be looking for in here is I actually already own something, but if it drops lower, I will be looking for the long again. And this is basically all the coins which I'm interested currently for this short-term trading. But as said, I'm holding the Ethereum and I'm holding the Bitcoin for the long term, and I will make some more videos about this because it's